In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and edit pages in Notion, an essential skill for mastering Notion fundamentals. Whether you're new to Notion or already familiar with it, these steps will help you efficiently manage your workspace for wikis, documents, and projects. First, let's start by accessing your connected workspace in Notion. Head over to the Notion website and log in using your credentials. If you don't have an account, you can easily sign up and get started. Notion is a versatile tool that seamlessly combines the functionality of an online document editor with a project management platform, making it a powerful resource for organizing your digital space. Once logged in, you'll be taken to Notion Home. It serves as your central hub of operations, displaying all your existing pages and projects in one convenient area. From here, you'll notice a sidebar on the left. This sidebar is vital as it provides access to your entire database of pages, as well as helpful features like quick links to your recent edits or shared spaces. Now that you're oriented, it's time to begin creating a new page. Simply click on the sidebar, and you'll see an option to create a new page. Give your page a descriptive title that reflects its content. Titles are important as they help you and anyone else accessing your workspace to easily identify the purpose of the page. Creating descriptive titles keeps everything neat and organized, which will save you time later when you're searching for a particular document. With your new page set up, it's time to dive into editing and adding content. Notion makes this easy. Click anywhere within the page to start typing and customizing your content. You can add text, images, databases, lists, and much more, all of which Notion supports through an intuitive block system. Each block is a piece of content that can be rearranged within the page, allowing you complete flexibility in designing your layout. Remember, when editing, don't hesitate to experiment with different types of blocks and formatting options. You might find it useful to use headers to break up sections of your document, use bullet points for lists, or even embed a video for a multimedia touch. The key is to keep your content organized and easy to digest at a glance. Finally, once you're satisfied with your page, make sure to regularly save your work. Notion's cloud-based platform usually auto-saves your content, but it's always good practice to double-check, especially if you're making significant updates. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to mastering the creation and editing of pages in Notion, enabling you to manage your digital workspace efficiently and effectively. Thanks for watching, and feel free to explore more about Notion's capabilities in future tutorials.